Hello, and welcome to Planet English Culture. In this series, we are learning about some British writers. Today, we are going to learn about Charles Dickens. First, let's find out about his early life. Charles Dickens was a famous English writer and journalist. He was born in the seaside city of Portsmouth in England in 1812, during the Victorian era. His family was very poor, and he left school at the age of 12 to work in a factory. The harsh working conditions and the lives of the poor later influenced his writing. 3 years later, he returned to school and then started to work as a journalist. Now, let's see what you can remember. Finish the sentence. Charles who was an English writer and journalist. Is it A. Darwin, B. Dickens, or C. Dance? The correct answer is B. Charles Dickens was an English writer and journalist. During which era was he born? Was it A. Edwardian, B. Georgian, or C. Victorian? Yes, the correct answer is C. Victorian. At what age did he leave school to work in a factory? Was it A. 8, B. 12, or C. 14? Well done. It was B. 12. True or false? His writing was influenced by harsh working conditions and the lives of the rich. It's false. His writing was influenced by harsh working conditions and the lives of the poor, not the rich. After completing school, what did he work as? Was it A. a lawyer, B. a doctor, or C. a journalist? Yes, it was C. a journalist. Now try the bonus question. When was he born? Was it A. 1712, or B. 1812? Yes, it was B. 1812. Well done. Now, let's learn about his writing career. Charles Dickens wrote 15 novels, hundreds of short stories, and many articles and letters. Many of his books were about the everyday lives of poor people and the problems that they faced. His stories often taught lessons about kindness, being caring and fair, and helping others. Some of his most famous books are Oliver Twist, David Copperfield, and A Christmas Carol. Oliver Twist tells the story of an orphan boy in London. It showed how difficult life was for poor children at that time. David Copperfield is partly based on Dickens' own life and tells the story of a boy with a hard childhood who becomes a successful writer. A Christmas Carol has become one of the most famous Christmas stories of all time, and there are over 100 film versions of the story. Dickens loved acting, and he often performed readings of his stories for large crowds. He nearly became an actor instead of a writer. Let's see what else you remember. How many novels did Charles Dickens write? Was it A. 5, B. 15, or C. 25? Yes, the correct answer is B. 15. Finish the sentence. His stories often taught lessons about A. politics, B. money, or C. kindness. Yes, it's C. His stories often taught lessons about kindness. True or false? Some of his most famous books are Oliver Twist, David Silverfield, and A Christmas Song. It's false. Some of his most famous books are Oliver Twist, David Copperfield, and A Christmas Carol. Which book has over 100 film versions? Is it A. Oliver Twist, B. David Copperfield, or C. A Christmas Carol? That's right. It's C. A Christmas Carol. Which book is about an orphan boy? Is it A. Oliver Twist, B. David Copperfield, or C. A Christmas Carol? It's A. Oliver Twist. True or false? David Copperfield is partly based on Charles Dickens' life. Yes, it's true. Finish the sentence. Charles Dickens loved A. Acting, B. Singing, or C. Drawing. Yes, it's A. Charles Dickens loved acting. Let's try one more bonus question. What did Dickens nearly become instead of a writer? Was it A. an actor, or B. a doctor? That's it. It's A. an actor. Great job. Well done. We hope you enjoyed learning about Charles Dickens. Thank you for watching. See you next time.